Alright. Hey, so I've been in Japan for 3 months. 3 months. Yeah, 3 months in Japan, isn't me? 3 months. So, I want to talk to you about something. Yeah, affects everybody. It's something that affects males more than females, in my opinion. It's a very serious issue. Some persons have become depressed over this sort of thing and have given up hope. And I really just want to tell you that there is hope and there is a way. It's not a permanent thing. Well, it can be, but it can be preventable. And yeah, so the terrible thing it's called.
You've been friend-zoned. Yeah. Friend-zoned. Yeah.
The friend zone. Yeah, the friend zone, yo. Yep. Alright, so there are levels to this, as you all know. So, friend zone. What's the friend zone? When, you know, you like somebody and they don't kind of like you back the same way you do. So they go like this, swerve, put you over there. Friend zone. Alright, so it doesn't matter. Just like love, friend zone knows no grace. It knows no color. It knows no creed, no status. Sometimes it just happens and you just don't know why or how. But I'm here to tell you there is a way out. Most of the time. Right. So level 1 friend zone is like just like a temporary holding area for you until that person is either ready for you or you're like a safety net. So yeah, it's like, you know, I kind of like you, but I'm going to keep you over here just in case the emergency. Break glass. Oh, sorry. Right. So that's kind of what like that friend level 1 friend zone is. Level 2 friend zone is like, I don't know. It's like a whole. It's a more serious holding area, like at the airport when they want to do that. You know what I mean? It's crazy. But the worst one of the friend zone is actually not even called a friend zone. It's called being family zoned. Damn. Family zone is a permanent thing, bruh. You're like a brother. You're like a sister. I'm like, excuse me? We don't get down like that. What do you mean I'm like your brother? What do you mean I'm like your brother? You gotta be joking. You know, that's the worst. That's the worst one. And so, yeah, everyone has been friend zoned. I've been friend zoned in Jamaica, Japan. You know, these girls are crazy, man. Some of these women are foul as hell. Like, so what, you talking, having a good vibe, you know, yeah, everything's going well. Buy her a drink and stuff, and you go, yeah. And then all of a sudden, sorry, I have a boyfriend. I don't care. That's not my business. You all up in my grill, dance with me, having drinks, and, you know, start doing certain things, you know what I'm saying? All of a sudden you have a boyfriend, but I don't care. Whatever. These girls are so deliberate. So there's one that she didn't get exactly what she wanted at that exact moment. Then, boom, line. Oh, let's just be friends. Like, huh? Okay, whatever, man. So you get. So I've been getting times friend zone. So I get friend zone from the future, bro. Because today is like Wednesday. So if I get friend zone today, it'd still be Tuesday back then, back in Jamaica and America. So the friend zone will reach me until tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, but it's whatever. And I met some really cool chicks that I dig and that I like, and I've met some really cool chicks that I don't like. But sometimes the wires get crossed. So sometimes people think that you want them, but you don't, and then others that don't think you want them, you want, and it says one. But yeah, Nihongo is improving slowly. So by December, it's gonna be crazy winter. No 6-packs in winter. Keg. Warmth. You know what I mean? So random ramblings from a Jamaican J vlogger. You know what I mean? But I don't understand. Why is it that women? Why bother friends? If you don't like me, just don't like me. Don't lead me on. You know what I mean? That's the worst thing. Don't ever lead on anybody, because you know karma is a bum. So yeah, Jamatane out.
No escape for you. Friend zoned. Yeah, yeah.